for that customer. And ito naman ang kanyang transaction history. Let's see and try the shoes na naka-allocate sa kanya. So, si Francina nagpalaba ng sapatos. Ito yung top view, left side view. So, it's a testing. So, kaya may mga balot na yan. But typically, wala yan. So, naka-assign siya kay Staff Sammy. So, yan ang transaction natin. So, if we close that and we go to job orders and we click that customer, ito si Francinel. And we click that, we can see kung kanino siya naka-assign or pwede nating palitan yung naka-assign niya dito. So, for example, this one, we wanted to make some changes. Kay Sammy siya. Ngayon, balik siya kay Sam. Changes. And then, if we click the version history ng application, makikita mo kung sino ang nag-process ng from Sammy to Sam. Yan naman yung naging update natin. So, yan yung makikita yung order history ng ating sapatos. And apart from that, meron tayong mga ibang items here like rewards. You can set up a point where kailan sila makaka-earn ng reward. Ngayon naka-set up na sa parang 0.040 per piso ang ma-earn nila. So, I think 40 divided by 1 divided by 0.40 or 1 divided by 50 siguro yan. I don't know. Or 75. Basta kikita sila ng or mag-earn silang points na 0.04 centavos or 0.04 pesos for every transaction na meron sila, for every piso. For rewards, we have set up a sample rewards here. You can create a rainy sales or rainy season promo. You can edit the reward here then. Promo, let's say 2. And then we can do an update. So once we have that, we're in season 2. We're good there. SMS, you can also select multiple mode of campaigns. Meron tayong quick check, meron tayong push notification, points, awards, announcement, reminder, and in-app message. And then, I think that's pretty much it. So, dito sa POS sales report is what we're doing right now. And sales breakdown. And job orders, meron tayong job order list, which is makikita mo yung related